This looks pretty cool. Tap this screen to start. Alright, let's go. Oh, this is awesome. This kind of looks like Google Sky Maps. Alright. Alright, well, I'm really not sure what to do. Oh, maybe I push this play button? Let's see. Alright. It says actual time. And there's a stop button. So I'm gonna hit the play button. It's actual time. Okay, so now it looks like it's counting down. And this is awesome. Just scrolling my finger, I get to like look at the back side, the underside of it. I can kind of spin it. It kind of makes me feel like I'm Tony Stark, like just like whoa, opening it up and looking in and being able to zoom. Oh, that's really pretty cool. All right, keep same day, time. Oh, so if I slide this, I can advance. Alright, so as I'm sliding this, moving to the... Holy moly, that's pretty awesome. So I'm sliding this little tab over to the right, and it starts speeding up the whole rotation of the galaxy. So I'm watching Mercury spin faster, and Venus and Earth. It's pretty awesome. I've never really seen that played out like this. Alright, so now I just pressed on Mars, and it kind of highlights it. So I wonder if now that if I've clicked on it, is it telling me what is happening with Mars? All right, let me try it. I'm gonna click on Earth. Look at that says. Earth spins really fast in comparison. So right now I'm in the year 2030, January 16th. Okay, maybe I should slow this down a little bit so I can get a better idea of what's going on. Alright, so I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to... If I'm trying to learn more about Mars, how do I go to the next? And it's still spinning. Keep same day. Just tap that just because. Alright, looks like it just paused. Alright, when I click on it, alright, well maybe I'll hit play again and see if it tells me something different. This is really pretty awesome looking though. So like, each time I hit play, does it like just accelerate? I'm not sure what's happening right now. I mean, I still see things spinning. Alright, what if I hit this X button to the right? Upgrade to a unique experience. Upgrade $2.49. Okay, well that's a picture of Earth. If I click X, so I kind of closed out of that. Press play. Alright. This is really cool. I can look at it for so many different dimensions. Like on an even plane, looking at it from side to side. Oh, I see Jupiter. Right now it's starting to spin a little bit more. If I move faster, I imagine there's the rest of the galaxy. I see them all spinning. And it's cool just seeing all the other particles. I'm not sure if those are just stars or if that's just supposed to be like space debris or actual things that are, because obviously everything is in orbit and they're suspended in their space by their gravitational pull. And they don't look like constellations, it looks like just like the ring around. I'll just hit the play button again. Looks like it's just speeding up. Jupiter doesn't really spin hardly any. Oh, okay, so I just clicked on this little, I hit the next button, and then I clicked on it and this little magnifying glass, and that brought up sun, planets, dwarf planets, comets, spacecraft. So I guess if I hit planets, I can then click on it. Oh, alright, here we go. I see all the planets popped up: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. And click on Mars. And I can now click on just the planet. Alright. So you can find any object included in the application by typing its name. You can find a star according to its catalog number by entering HIP, HO, or HR, followed by the number. Right. If I click on demos, space development needs you. Upgrade 249. Yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. Right now, I'm going to go back to hit the magnifying glass, go back to planets, and click on Mars. I'm going to click Phobos. I don't know what that means. Phobos Explore. Alright, I see Phobos spinning up here. Let me click on that. It says Phobos, moon of Mars. Oh, I can visit it. Alright, so let's visit this. Ah, okay. Oh, cool. So Phobos is the moon of Mars. Let's see what the encyclopedia says about it. It's 16.8 miles. Mass is 1 times 10 to the 16th. It's 5,832 miles from the planet. The rotation 7 hours, 39 minutes. Orbital, same. Wow, the surface gravity is like 0.006. And it's -40. So Phobos is the larger and closer of the two natural satellites of Mars. It's a small, irregular shaped object, closer to its primary than any other known planetary moon. Proximity of Phobos is so close that it orbits Mars faster than Mars rotates. As a result, from the surface of Mars, it appears to rise and set twice each Martian day. Oh, that's cool. In the collision, Phobos is drawing closer to Mars, and in 50 million years, it will either collide with a planet or break up into a planetary ring. Wow, that's pretty cool. So I wonder what else I can learn about it. Let's see, the solar system. That doesn't really show me anything specifically about Mars. So let's go back to planets and hit Mars again. And then when I hit Deimos, so Deimos, oh, I'm going to visit Deimos. It's taking me there. So Deimos must be the second moon. Alright, let's hit open this encyclopedia. It's 9.32 miles. The mass is 1.48 times 10 to the 15th power. So, whoa. Is that 14,590 miles from the planet? and its rotational period is 1.26 days. Although like the Phobos was like 7 and change hours, like 7:39 I think it was. Surface gravity is 0.003, and surface temperature is also negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Do they use Fahrenheit on Mars? I guess they do. All right. So it's the outermost and smallest of the two natural satellites. The planet's so small that it could easily fit inside a medium-sized crater on the Earth's moon. Nice. Deimos is slowly moving further away from Mars. It's believed that it will eventually leave the orbit of Mars. Pretty cool. So let's see what else we got here. I wish there was a way that I didn't have to go all the way back out to the magnifying glass and then go back in to hit planet and then Mars to get there. I kind of want to just go to the next item. Okay, so I just press the play button and I see it spinning and orbiting, so I'm going to just slow it down. That's what it does in like 22 hours. It looks like a big old potato. Alright, let's, if I go back, upgrade. No, I don't want to upgrade. Stop trying to sell me stuff. Alright, let's go magnifying glass, go back to the planets, then back to Mars. See, I wish there was a way I could just stay in Mars and just keep going through stuff. So now that I'm in Mars, it shows, oh, cool. So now that Mars is there, I can see Mars and Deimos together, kind of rocking back and forth. Ah, that's interesting. I kind of wish it would have told me that I would do that. I would have done this earlier. Nice. So it says moons and then Deimos and Phobos, but both Deimos and Phobos are moons. So I guess it's got it. The way that this is labeled, I didn't know that was a subcategory. I thought there was another thing that I could click on. That was just saying, hey, here's the planet and here's the moons. I don't know, maybe if the graphic was a little bigger and it looked like there was a drop down or something connected, would have been clearer, because I didn't really know what to do there. I kind of want to see if there's like an encyclopedia of information just about Mars. But when I do that, it just brings Mars back up. Oh, now when I hit Mars, it's telling me I can visit it. So it takes me a little closer. Now if I hit encyclopedia, it tells me information. See, this is cool. I think it just took a little too long for me to be able to navigate in here, and I don't think it was clear on how I could get in here. In fact, if not knowing that was part of my prompt, I probably wouldn't have really explored deep enough to find this out, because it's not clear on how to navigate into it. This needs a little work. Diameter is 4,221 miles. It's pretty cool. The mass, that's big. The rotation period 1.03 days. Solar orbit 1.88 year. Okay. Yeah, this looks, I mean, it's really cool. But I don't necessarily know exactly how to navigate it. Like, I would like maybe some instruction that would just like, hey, this is like an overview. Like, this is your opportunity to explore the universe. Do this if you want to see that. Or if you'd like to see more about the planets, do that. Maybe even like a brief overview demo. And if I'm an advanced user and I'm coming back, maybe it allows me the option to skip that or move past it. But for someone like me just coming on here, I didn't know where to go.